Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC P0703, indicates a malfunction of the brake pedal position switch that operates normally closed, NC. This issue arises when the brake pedal position signal is inconsistent with the actual brake pedal operation under certain driving conditions. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects this inconsistency and interprets it as an abnormality, storing the code as a result. The brake pedal position switch plays a crucial role by ensuring that the vehicular systems related to braking function properly. This component is typically located near the pivot point of the brake pedal. A malfunction in the switch can impair the vehicle's braking and may impact other systems relying on accurate brake pedal position information, such as cruise control and idle stop assist. The P0703 code signifies a malfunction within the brake pedal position switch, which operates in a normally closed mode. When this switch fails or provides inconsistent signals, the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, interprets that as a malfunction. Specifically, it means that the signals the switch sends do not match the physical state of the brake pedal during certain driving conditions. This mismatch can impede the proper functioning of critical components like the cruise control system. The brake pedal position switch is typically situated just above the brake pedal assembly, making it accessible for inspection and replacement. My understanding of the system settings allows me to determine the compatibility of the signals, ensuring safe and responsive vehicle operation. Several factors could lead to the P0703 diagnostic trouble code. One common cause is a failure in the brake pedal position switch itself, which may result from wear and tear or internal malfunction. Additionally, issues in the wiring or connections between the switch and the PCM can create signal inconsistencies, resulting in this code being stored. Corroded or loose connectors can prevent the switch from operating as intended by affecting power supply or ground. Furthermore, it is essential to consider the potential fault with the PCM itself, particularly if other components have tested normally. Testing these areas must be methodical for effective diagnostics, leading to accurate repairs. The presence of the P0703 trouble code may be accompanied by several symptoms. One key indicator is an inconsistent brake pedal response, which can cause unexpected braking behavior or hesitation. Drivers may also experience issues with the cruise control feature, as it depends on accurate input from the brake system to disengage when needed. In some cases, warning lights may illuminate on the dashboard, serving as alerts for the drivers regarding the underlying issue. These symptoms are directly related to how the brake pedal position switch operates and communicates with the PCM. Monitoring these symptoms can help ensure the vehicle's safety and functionality are maintained. The first troubleshooting step involves setting the vehicle to the on mode. This prepares the systems for diagnostics. Once in this mode, you will check the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, for the cruise brake switch idle stop switch value while pressing and releasing the brake pedal. This action is crucial because it allows for monitoring whether the switch is properly functioning. If the values do not change as expected during this process, it confirms that the failure is indeed present. Ensuring that the HDS is accurately reading these values is essential to determine whether the systems are communicating effectively, paving the way for further inspection. In this second troubleshooting step, the focus shifts to inspecting the IG1 stem cut rally circuit. This circuit inspection is crucial as it involves checking the power supply relevant to the brake pedal position switch. When conducting this inspection, ensure that the vehicle is in IG mode and that the battery voltage reads approximately 12 volts. Following this, you will also perform a check on the BKSWNC and ground circuits as outlined in the service instructions. Anomalies in these circuits could indicate faults that disrupt the entire system's operation. Identifying power or ground issues can significantly aid in diagnosing the root cause of the DTC, ensuring faster repairs. The focus of troubleshooting in this step is to conduct tests on the brake pedal position switch. This involves disconnecting the switch connector and verifying its operation under specified conditions. You will check for a normal signal at the switch terminals while in the on mode. The expectation is to observe a voltage shift between approximately 0 volts and 12 volts when the brake pedal is pressed and released. If the switch fails this test, it indicates a malfunction that may necessitate replacement. Reconnecting the PCM connector properly is essential, as improper connections can lead to further issues. The integrity of the switch is pivotal in the effective functioning of brake systems and associated functions. The fourth troubleshooting step is an evaluation of the powertrain control module, or PCM. If previous inspections of the brake pedal position switch and other components have indicated normal functionality, the next logical step is to assess the PCM itself. This module is vital because it processes inputs from the vehicle's sensors, including the brake pedal position switch, to manage engine, transmission, and braking functions. If tests suggest that the PCM is not processing data accurately, it is likely the source of the problem. Identifying issues in the PCM may require additional specialist diagnostic tools or equipment for complete evaluation. Ultimately, achieving a fault-free PCM is essential to restore accurate operation. After completing the necessary repairs, the final stage involves verifying that all systems are functioning correctly. This is achieved by confirming that no DTCs remain in the system. This involves utilizing a diagnostic tool to scan for codes after repairs have executed. Following this, conducting a thorough road test is equally crucial. This test should reflect regular driving conditions to ensure all components, especially those affected by the brake pedal position switch, are operating as expected. Monitoring the vehicle's performance during this test establishes that all systems are responding accurately to commands. Successful verification means the repair has resolved the issue while ensuring the long-term reliability of the vehicle. Preventive maintenance helps in avoiding future occurrences of the DTC P0703. Regular inspections of the brake pedal position switch and associated wiring are recommended to ensure their proper functioning. Periodic checks can catch wear and tear before they lead to a malfunction or inconsistency. Early detection plays a significant role in extending the lifespan of these components, ultimately protecting the vehicle's braking system integrity. Additionally, educating drivers about how to monitor brake switch functionality daily can promote proactive maintenance. Keeping the connections clean and secure will ensure that unforeseen failures are avoided in the future. In summary, DTC P0703 indicates a malfunction with the brake pedal position switch, signifying the need for immediate attention. This code points towards possible issues in the brake pedal position switch, wiring, or potentially the PCM itself. Proper diagnostic procedures involve thorough inspections of each component, ensuring that everything is functioning accurately. Regular maintenance checks are pivotal for the longevity of the braking system and overall vehicle safety. By adhering to a comprehensive inspection and repair process, vehicle owners can ensure smooth and efficient performance, as well as enhanced safety while driving. Understanding these protocols lays the groundwork for better vehicle care and responsiveness. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.